Hey, Dan, we're on a vlog. Hey, it's the 2nd of November, 2021. It's hailing. Look at it hail. Yeah. Already. Weather's changing on us already. It's about 40 degrees out right now. I was gonna go down to Wilbert's and pull a subframe, but I don't think that's happening. What are you doing? What? What's the problem? Huh? What's the problem? You don't like the hail? Huh? Well, get out of the hail. Get out of the hail. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And I'll catch you on the next Crosby vlogs. I need to celebrate my 4,000th subscriber as well. Been doing this since November. We're coming up on my anniversary, November of 2010. I got a little over 3,000 videos. Just went over the 4,000.